What's more dangerous than not wearing a motorcycle helmet? Today we're going to talk about that plus 3 more exciting things. The first one is Paul Reubens. The second one is a Facebook scam that we almost fell for. And the third one is the debut of our new theme song. It's not very long and it's going to be at the end, so either skip ahead now or hang tight. Hey guys, Mike here from Mike and Ty Ride Bikes. If you've seen our channel before, welcome back.
If you're new here, we're two best friends who have near-death experiences, and now we're living life to the fullest.
We mainly do that on motorcycles, but sometimes it's other awesome activities. Our life goal is to challenge you and challenge ourselves to live our best lives. So either watch us or join along as we full throttle our adventures. I learned how to ride in a state that mandated I wear a helmet, but allowed me to split lanes. Since moving to Texas, I now have the option of whether or not to wear a helmet. And that's perfectly legal, but somehow splitting lanes is no longer allowed. Well, which one's more dangerous? Stick with me through this video and I'll share what the numbers show, as well as opinions of other experienced riders. By the end, you can make your own informed decision. Also, I have a special surprise for you along the way. It's a new feature I started called Dum Bass on the road. So let's go. Okay, so let's talk numbers first. According to the Institute Insurance for Highway Safety, in the year 2021, California had 586 riders die in motor vehicle accidents. Texas only had 523. Texas only had 523. So lane splitting plus mandated helmets equals 586. No lane splitting, optional to wear a helmet, 523. So lane splitting, option to wear a helmet, 523. I mean, according to the numbers, lane splitting is more dangerous than not wearing a helmet. As a side note, the percentage of fatally injured passengers who were drunk was 6% higher in Texas. So if I'm doing my math right, no helmet plus drinking alcohol is still safer than being forced to wear a helmet but splitting lanes. Now, I'm not advocating drunk driving. I'm just inferring the numbers. Okay, here's Ty and Ralph with their thoughts.
Texas does have a motorcycle law if you're under 21 years of age. However, I wear my helmet probably 99.9% of the time if I do plan to ride, because I look pretty damn cool in it, listen to my music, make phone calls, whatnot, and well, just look cool.
Hello everyone, my name's Ralph Glass, I'm a friend of the channel Mike and Ty Ride Bikes. Well, I'm a big fan of helmets. I have ridden motorcycles without helmets, but I do prefer riding with a helmet. It does provide a great deal of safety and comfort. I ride with music in my helmet, so I listen to music all the time. That's a big benefit for that. I do recommend that you always use a helmet. Not a coconut half. Don't cut a coconut in half and think you're actually protecting your head. That is not true. Buy a helmet from a reputable dealer in person and try those helmets on to make sure they fit correctly.
Okay, here's my opinion. It's hot outside, traffic sucks. I feel like I should be able to safely lane split. I do safely lane split, but only when it's legal. Also, I mostly wear my helmet. All right, switching gears. Speaking of California, Paul Reubens, also known as Wee Herman, passed away this week. He was living in California. Anytime anybody passes away, it's sad, especially for the people that are left behind. I grew up watching Wee Herman, and I especially loved his movies. Whatever happened to his career?
Today's secret word is end.
Oh yeah, things did take a weird turn in 1991 when he was arrested at a movie theater. And then there was his arrest 11 years later for child porn. You know what? Here's a clip of him riding a motorcycle without a helmet. All right, change of pace. For those of you who don't know, we run a Facebook group called the North Texas Weekday Riders. A couple weeks ago, we had a person, let's call him a fake name, Michael Heather. Whoops. We'll just call him MH for short. For anonymity. Michael Heather. The name should be a straight giveaway. Either it's a fake account or it's two people who don't quite trust each other enough to have their own Facebook accounts. So anyway, the person started out sounding legitimate. MH started a Facebook Marketplace ad offering a free Harley Davidson, and all you had to do to qualify was send him a private message letting him know why you needed it. The problem was it wasn't just a Facebook Marketplace ad. It was also put into our North Texas Weekday Riders, which is a private group. Well, Caitlin and I went to work defending those in the group. Caitlin carried on a long conversation with MH, which basically went like this. Free bike? I need it because I am poor. Okay, well I suck. And I'm fake, but I'm pretending to live very far away. So send me money so I can ship you a bike that does not exist. That's when I went to work and found the same ad had been posted in 6 different states on Facebook. I went through and flagged all 6 of the ads and then flagged the account, all before banning MH from our Facebook group. Here's how the scam would have played out had we kept playing along. I used to be in your city, but I moved because of work. So now I'm in some other place that's definitely not your city. So send me money on a prepaid gift card and I will send you this fake item that does not exist. I do this PSA only because I've seen other similar ads pop up recently where all you have to do is message the person and give them a good reason why you should get this free item. I need you riders to stay financially safe so we can go riding together. Nothing is free, people, even in Dallas. Even on Harry Hines. Everything costs. Okay, so our new feature for this program is called Dum Bass on the Road. Basically, I find riders who are riding unsafely and making dumb basses of themselves and being fishes out of water on a motorcycle. So Dum Bass on the Road, number 1, goes to a gentleman I saw in Garland, Texas. This guy in Garland, Texas had no license plate. He was a fish out of water riding like a dumb bass this week for lane splitting unsafely, not signaling and driving like a dumb bass, causing a hazard for everybody around him. You made it this far, congratulations. This is the most important part of the episode. You could have skipped all the way here, which is probably what I would have done, but hey, I'm not judging. I need you to watch my videos. We are going to debut our new Mike and Ty Ride Bikes theme song. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Mike and Ty on these bikes, living life to the fullest. Second chance at it, they record, you can look it. Every place they at on these open roads. Each restaurant, they might hunt the ghosts. Allow me to welcome you or welcome you back. Mike and Ty on the channel, never know where they at. So lock in, they gon' make it exciting. Get lost in the videos and don't forget to like them,
Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think it's a pretty cool song. If you haven't already seen our Area 52 video, it's my personal favorite. Go ahead and click this link and watch it now.